The Tunguska event, Earth's biggest explosion, that nobody saw coming on the morning of June 30th, 1908, an explosion 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima atomic bomb, rocked a remote area of Siberia near the Tunguska River. The blast flattened over 80 million trees across an area of 2,150 square kilometers, 830 square miles, and the shock wave was felt as far as Europe. Despite its massive scale, remarkably, no human fatalities were recorded due to the sparse population in the region. Witnesses described seeing a massive fireball streak across the sky before a blinding flash and an ear-splitting roar. For days afterward, the night skies across Europe and Asia were illuminated with an eerie glow, likely caused by particles from the explosion scattering sunlight. What caused this devastating event? Scientists believe it was an airburst of a meteoroid or comet fragment about 50 to 60 meters wide, traveling at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. As it entered Earth's atmosphere, the intense pressure and heat caused it to disintegrate and explode mid-air, releasing the energy equivalent of 10 to 15 megatons of TNT. The lack of a crater puzzled researchers for decades. But this makes sense since the explosion occurred at an altitude of about 5 to 10 kilometers above the ground. Interestingly, expeditions to the site in the 1920s and 1930s found no fragments large enough to confirm the exact nature of the object, whether it was a rocky meteoroid or an icy comet. The Tunguska event remains one of Earth's greatest cosmic mysteries. Its implications are sobering. Similar-sized objects exist in space, and one striking a populated area could cause unimaginable destruction. Modern efforts to monitor and deflect near-Earth objects have been inspired, in part, by the lessons of Tunguska. Sources: NASA, Smithsonian Magazine, National Geographic, Scientific American.